fee charging policy aims to combat bots problem and deal with fake use. X, formerly known as Twitter owner Elon Musk, has decided to bring a new paid tier on the social media platform following the adoption of which users will be charged a minimal amount for tweeting. The move, which was first implemented in Philippines and New Zealand, where X charged $1 subscription fee from the users annually, aims to combat bots problem and deal with fake users. Musk confirmed the development by responding to a tweet on X. Unfortunately, a small fee for new user right access is the only way to curb the relentless onslaught of bots. Current AI and troll farms can pass "Are you a bot?" with ease, Musk wrote in response to tweet about speculations regarding expansion of fee charging policy. The 52-year-old billionaire, in response to another message, mentioned that the new accounts would be able to post after 3 months of creation without paying a fee. As of now, no other details regarding the new policy have been disclosed. The newly signed in users on the platform in these regions could read the posts but couldn't interact with them. To post content like repost, reply, bookmark, and quote posts, they had to pay a fee.